Welcome to Frederick M. Ayers Jr. Auditorium. My name is Nolan Brokamp. I'm the Technical Theater Director here at Park Tudor School. We've been working with Stage Right to have our orchestra pit designed and installed probably about 4 or 5 years ago. So here at Frederick M. Ayers Jr. Auditorium, we were built in 1976, and we are a working theater 12 months out of the year. We host special events. We seat 425 people in the theater. We also use it for regular school meetings, filling the high school, musicals, plays, and anything really that the rest of the organization needs throughout the year. Our pit filler was a handmade wooden structure that was incredibly heavy and really served the theater very well for, 35, 40 years. What we needed a little more flexibility. And we already had some risers, choral risers from Stage Right already, so you guys were one of our first calls that kind of tailored this filler to our needs, and really one of the only companies that would tailor it to our needs in terms of having a fully open bottom, so we can leave pieces and parts in as bridges for musicals, so we can truly have a flexible orchestra pit, as opposed to something that has a structure underneath. So it installs really easy. My students and I can do it ourselves. I don't have to have the maintenance department come over and take our orchestra pit out anymore. It's something very easy for us to do, which makes it a lot more flexible with our time and the needs for the space. Kip kind of led us through the process of really listening to us to see what we wanted out of the project, and then to design and construct the orchestra pit to our needs. They then came out with a 3D scanner. They scanned it down to, I don't know how many fractions of an inch, and then built it. And once it was constructed, it literally fell right into place. So it was pretty impressive to see them go from the page to a filler that struck a very odd curve, because we are a curved house here. Park Tudor School, working with Stage Right, was a really great opportunity for us to get our own needs here at this theater designed from a building that was in 1976 to bring it up to the modern day theater and its uses. The design process was easy, it was simple. Everything was straightforward with the numbers we were given down to the installation. And we keep using Stage Right for all of our choral risers and other needs as well. So it's a company that we've been happy to work with and will continue to work with in the future.